Dear students, let me continue with the Boolean algebra, that is a K-map example discussed in the session 5. Wanted to remind you people, in case if you are going for mean terms three variables, so how exactly the truth table refers. I consider logical variable ABC and the values are given as a decimal equivalent 0 to 7. Respected to that, what is the mean terms are that's product of each logical variables with the state. Now, wherever values are 0, there it is complemented. Okay, wherever values are 1, there it is retained as it is. So this you have to keep it in mind before moving to the examples, and the designation also. We just keep it in our mind the decimal equivalent. According to that, the designation m0, m1, m2, m3 will come. Now without knowing this, we cannot reduce the expression by using K-map. Moving to the next one, that is four variables truth table of mean terms. Now here four variable are there, a, b, c, d. The values are generated here. If you are finding difficulty to generate the value, I'll just give you the small trick. Take a last variable, that is d, write a zeros ones alternatively, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, like that. Write 16 values. That means 8 zeros comes, 8 ones comes. The next left side column, that is the C, you write it 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, like that. 16 rows should be filled. Moving to the left side, the next variable, that is B, 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones. Moving to the still more left, that is variable A, 8 zeros, 8 ones. In case 5 variables is there, then it is goes like 16 zeros, 16 ones it becomes. So that means how exactly we are generating this value, it is in 8421 method. Respective to that, the mean terms are, so wherever zeros are there, the variable is complemented, and 1 is there, they did not complement it. So this table also very important, because the most of the time K-map reduction Boolean expression will give in the four variable format itself. So this is very important. See that all the mean terms are there, and the designations, the decimal equivalent we have to see. The first 0000 is there, that is m0. Similarly, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's this value is, it is matches. Here all four ones means 15, so m15. All this one you see 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, so that is m14. Similarly, others. Moving to the next slide, that is just I'll remind you how to reduce Boolean expression in SOP form using K-map. Reduction of an octet. We have to identify a octet, that means 8 mean terms in a rectangle shape. Now what you have to do? Remove 3 variables which changes their state. That means if it is 4 variables are there, it remains only one variable after reducing. A, B, C, D are there, then one variable only remains for the reducing octet, and other 3 variables will be removed. Reduction of quad. Identify a quad, that means 4 mean terms in a square shaped or a rectangle shaped or a 4 corners of the K-map. Now from here, 2 variables we have to remove which changes their states. If it ABCD are there, then maybe AB removed or AC removed or a BD removed, or a BD will retain, or a CD will retain, or a AB will retain with their status. The third possibility is there, that is reduction of pair. Identify a pair in a vertical or a horizontal way. Remove the variable which changes its state from complemented to uncomplemented or vice versa. Now here four variable if it is there, one variable will be removed. Two variable if it is there, one variable will be removed. Three variable also, one variable will be removed. So it doesn't matter how many variables are there in the mean term, but one variable will be removed when we are going for an pair. Now let me take you the first example. The given Boolean function reduced it by using K-map. F of ABC 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now this Boolean function shows us there are how many variables are there? Only three variables are there, and these are the summation format is there. That is, these are the respected mean terms which value contains, output value contains 1. Now how to solve this? This is the way. Above said Boolean function can be designed by using three variable K-map as. So before designing, just we have to keep it in our mind. So now M0 comes here, and then M1 is not there, M3 is not there, M2 we have to consider, then M4 we have to consider, M5 we have to consider, M6, but M7 is not there. So that is the K-map is, this is the way. Now here it is there. So I have taken one variable to the row side, that is A, and the column side I have taken B, C variable. Now these values are written according to the gray code or reflection code, that is 00, 01, 11, 10. According to that your M0 comes here, M2, M4, M5 and M6. Now only these places, no, we have to put 1. Other places leave it as it is. Now this is K mapping is done. Now looking at the K mapping, how we are reducing the equation. See here, now first chord we have identified. Now this side and this side we made a square. This is of four mean terms we are putting together, we have identified square. Now in the K map it is possible the first column and the last column we can consider as a square itself, because this is a endless process. If your reflection code, if you are generating after 10 comes 00, that's the reason we can do it in this is the way. Now here according to this, the first quad consists of M0, M2, M4 and M6. Now here I mentioned here. Now reduced the term is C dash. How we got C dash? I told you, if you're going for quad, then we have to remove two variables. See here, in the these mean terms are lies in the first row as well as the second row. That means A value changes here. A value in the first row 0, so A value is second row 1. So that's the reason A variable will not be there. Now see in the column wise, these mean terms lies in the first column as well as in the fourth column. See here in the first column, what is the value is there? 0, 0. In the fourth column, what is the value is there? 1, 0. That means here B value again it changes here. See, in the first column B value is 0, in the fourth column B value is 1. But C value in the first column 0 itself is there, in the fourth column also 0 is there. So that means C only the variable remains value is same. So we are taking only C term, and the value is 0. That's the reason it is complemented. Or in another way, what is the mean term of M0? That is A dash, B dash, C dash. And what is the mean term for M2? A dash, B, C dash. What is the mean term for M4? AB dash C dash. And what is M6? AB C dash. Now in these mean terms, if you observe, A dash value will changes here. The first two mean terms, A dash is there, second AA is there. Similarly, if you're going for B variable, the first mean term is B dash, second mean term B is there, and third B dash, fourth B is there. So that means B also changes. But C, you see here, C dash, C dash, C dash, C dash. In all the four mean terms, C dash itself is there. So we have taken only C dash. There's one more left out. What we have to do with this? Now this we can make it as a pair. Now this is only single one was left out. So it was no other ones are there. So what do with this? So the neighboring one is there. We are pairing with that. Now this one already involved in the group of quad. But can we involve in the another group? Yes. In K-map, it is possible if any other ones are there. If it is neighboring ones, if you are making, you can go for pair or quad or octet, there won't be a problem. But there should not be a ambiguity. With this, the one can be participated in any number of groups. So with this idea, we made identified one pair here. This is a pair. Now, according to that, that is a group of M4 as well as M5, which is the idea for you people here. It is there M4 and M5. Now, see here how we can the reduced AB dash we get. Now, here this both the mean terms lies in the second row itself. That means A value is 1. So, A value does not change. So, A retained as it is variable. And you see in the first column and then second column these two mean terms lies. In the first column B value is 0, B value is 0. So I have taken B with the dash. And I'll see the third variable, that is C. C value is 0 is there in the first column, and the second column C value is 1. That means C variable changes the state. C variable changes the state. So we should not consider it. So this is AB dash. Another way, see here, what is the mean term for that is AB dash C dash. The M5 is AB dash C. Now here AB is doesn't change state, C will change the state. So C eliminate and just AB dash you retrieve. Both the ways are it is correct only. Whichever easy method for you that you choose. Now, how to write reduced equation? As you know, this Boolean expression is there in SOP format. The final reduced equation we have to take the each reduced mean term into SOP format. That is, this is the way. The reduced Boolean function is C dash first term we took plus AB dash. So therefore, f of ABC equal to C dash plus AB dash is a reduced Boolean function for the given Boolean function. Moving forward, one more example. The given Boolean function reduced it by using K-map. F of ABCD equal to sum of 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Now in this example, how many variables are there? There are 4 logical variables are there, that is ABCD. So that means this is we have to solve by using 4 variable K-map. The above said Boolean function can be designed by using 4 variable K-map. Now just to giving an idea, so this is roughly I have taken this table. 4 variable, 16 squares will be there. Now where and all 1 may come, this is highlighted areas where we have to insert 1 when we design 4 variable K-map. Now this is 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. These areas only 1 comes. In the white area, it doesn't come anything. and the K map is this is the way. As here I have taken AB variable in the row wise and the CD variable I have taken in the column wise. Of course, as I told you, the codes are written in this is the way, in the form of reflected code or a gray code. So that is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Similarly, column side also 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. And as I given hint for your paper, the ones will be there in 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. This is done. Now next we have to identify. The first we have to see for octet. Can we find here any octet? There are 9 ones are there in the table. But is it possible to generate octet of 8 ones together? No, because what is the rule says? It should be there in the rectangle format. Here nowhere it is there. See here only in this two rows, if you see only 7 are there. So we cannot go for octet. So the next one is there, we have to identify any quad are there. Now here this is a mark I marked here. This is the first quad I can identify here. First quad. So that is M0, M4, M8, M12. Now how I got C dash D dash, the reduced mean term. Now here you see these all mean terms are lies in the all the rows but only in single column. So that means A value, B value will changes. See here in all the rows if you see the A value will change as well as B value will change. See here in the column C and D value remains same. Therefore, we are going to take only CD here and both the values are 0. So, it becomes complemented C dash and D dash. Now, another method, that's M0, M4, M8, M12 are there. We are writing respected mean terms here. The mean terms when you see here A dash, A dash, A is there, and second variable B dash, B dash B is there, and the third variable C dash is as it is there, and the fourth variable D dash same is there. So C dash and D dash does not change the state. So we are taking the C dash and D dash. The next we are identifying one more quad that is in the green color rectangle shape showed you. Now here we are listing out M8, M9, M10, M11 mean terms. Now how we are getting AB dash? Similarly, just now I said this all the mean terms lies in the fourth row itself. But the column, all the four columns it lies. Row wise if you see it's only in single row is there, but column all the columns are involved. So when all the columns are involved means the C and D state will change, but in the A and B's state will not change. It remains in throughout the row 1 0 itself. So therefore we are taking A and B value is 0, so AB dash. And another way we are listing out the main terms of M8, M9, M10, M11 as it is. Now M8 is AB dash C dash D dash, M9 is AB dash C dash D, and M10 is AB dash CD dash, and M11 is AB dash CD. Now if you see here, C variable changes the state. Dash is there and normal also is there. D also dash is there, normal D also is there. That for C and D we cannot consider. We have to consider only first two variable, that is AB dash. Now still ones are left out. What to do with this? Are you going for a pair? No. First we have to see, is it possible any quads are generated. So now these ones, there are down ones are there. So by using these four ones together, I can go with the one more chord that is in the purple color, it is showed on the screen. So we have to make a group here. First octet, then quads. How many quads are there? That many quads you have to take. If it is not possible octet, then only you are moving to the quad. If it is not possible quads, then only we are going for an pair. Now this quad, how to generate the minimized term? That is, this quad is consist of M9, M11, M13 and N15 mean terms. Now if you see here, this is involved in two rows. These four mean terms are involved in this row and this row. In this row, a value is 1 and this row a value is 1. So that means a value remains same. So we have to consider a. And b value 1 and 0 is that b value changes. So b value we should not take. And column wise, when you see the c value, second column 0, in the third column 1 is there. That means c also changes the state. But if we see d value, 1 in the second column, 1 in the third column. That means d value remains same. So we have to take it d. So altogether it becomes AD. In another way, now M9, the mean term is AB dash C dash D, M11 AB dash CD, and M13 AB C dash D, and N15 ABCD. Now if you see here, A remains same. B, if you see B dash BB is there, that changing the state. C, if you see C dash C dash C, again C also changes the state. But if you see D remains same. So A, D we had. Now looking at this K map, all the variables are in the group. So we have to write a reduced Boolean function is f of ABCD equal to the first term C dash D dash plus AB dash plus AD. Let me continue with the example 3. The given Boolean function, reduce it by using K map, f of ABCD, summation of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14. The above said Boolean function can be designed by using 4 variable K map as the hint is given here. We have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14 that we have like this we have to mark. That's mean term 0, mean term 2, mean term 4, mean term 6, mean term 8, mean term 10 and mean term 14. The K map is, as you know, AB I have variable taken to the row side and CD I have taken to the column side. The reflected co 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Similarly, column side 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. And all mean terms as a 1 I put on the K map, that is M0 is here, M2 is here, M4, M6, M8, M10 and M14. Now from the K map, how to reduce the terms? First we are trying to identify octet. We are not finding any octet here. So then we are moving towards to the chord. So let me identify first chord, that is this one. These two ones I have taken from this side and these two ones I have taken from this side. So by making this square I can take a chord. Now chord 1 consists of M0, M2, M4, M6 mean terms. Now the simplified mean term is A dash D dash of this chord. How it is possible? Now looking at this, there are two rows are involved in this chord, that is 0 0 0 1 of AB variables. Now here A value 0 itself is there and b value 0 1 changes. So I am taking a value is 0, so a dash it became. While looking at the column on side, the first column 0 0 is there and the fourth column 1 0 is there. So here c value 0 and 1 is there, it changes, but d value 0 0 itself is there, so it will not change. So we have to take d variable, but value is 0, so d dash. By using alternative method, that is we are listing all the m0 m2 m4 m6 mean terms. The mean terms are m0 equal to a dash b dash c dash d dash, m2 equal to a dash b dash c d dash, m4 equal to a dash b c dash d dash, and mc equal to a dash b c d dash. Now here a dash is common, b dash changes the state, c also changes the state, d dash common. So from this understood that we have to take only a dash and d dash. Let me identify still more any quads are there. So here if I go, I'll identify one more squad, that the four corner of the K map. As I told you quad rule, the four corner we can make it as a quad. So four corner, that is M0, M2, M8 and M10 I've treated as a quad. Now how to find the reduced mean term of this squad? Now here two rows are involved, the first row as well as the last row. In the first row a value is 0, in the last row a value is 1. So a value changes, so we cannot consider a variable. B value, if you see, value is 0, in the last row b value is 0. So that for b value remains same, so we have to consider b, but value is 0, so b dash it becomes. Similarly, if you are going for column on side, the first column 0 0 is there and the last column 1 0 is there. So that means c value changes here, 0 and 1 comes, but d value 0 itself remains in the both the column. Therefore we have to take only d variable, and d we are complementing because value is 0. The alternative method, while listing the all the mean terms belongs to this chord, that is m0 a dash b dash c dash d dash, and m2 a dash b dash c d dash, m8 a b dash c dash d dash, m10 a b dash c d dash. We see here a dash a is there, a changes, b dash it remains in the all the mean terms same, c dash and c comes, so it is again it changes, d dash remains in the all the mean terms same. Therefore we have to take only b dash and d dash. Still this one is left out, so what to do with this one? While looking at here, we can frame a quad here, that is involving these four ones. In the purple color it is showed on the screen. So that consists of m2 m6 m10 m14 mean terms. Now how to generate reduced mean term of this quad? Now this quad is belongs to single column and all the four rows are involved. That means AB value will changes here. Okay, so no need of considering AB variable at all. But if you look at here column side, C and D value will remain same. C value is 1 and D value is 0. Therefore CD dash. Alternative method, M2 equal to A dash B dash C D dash, M6 equal to A dash B C D dash, M10 equal to A B dash C D dash, M14 equal to A B C D dash. If you see here, A dash and B dash in the first term, second term when it will come A dash B becomes, third term A B dash becomes, and fourth term A B becomes. So A B's value will changes, but C D dash value will not change, it remains same. Therefore we have to take C D dash. All the ones in the K map are involved in the group. Therefore we have to write a reduced boolean function, that is f of abcd equal to the first term a dash d dash plus b dash d dash plus c d dash. This is the reduced Boolean function for the given Boolean function. Moving for the next example, given the Boolean function, reduce it by using K-map. F of a b c d equal to summation of 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now above said Boolean function can be designed by using 4 variable K-map as, just giving you a hint here, M1, M3, M4, M5, M7, M9, M11, M12, M13, M14, M15 are highlighted. So these places only logical ones comes, rest places are not there. So that means the K map is, this is the way, as AB variable are taken in the row wise and CD variable are taken in the column wise, and reflected codes are specified here, row wise as well as column wise. Now all the ones are placed in the respected position of the mean terms. So this appear in, this is the way. Now let us identify any octet are there in this. If it is not there, then quads, like that. So first let me see here 8 ones are in the rectangle shape. Is there 8 ones in the rectangle shape? So that means we can take it as a octet here, the octet. Now this octet consists of 8 mean terms, that is M1, M3, M5, M7, M9, M11, M13 and M15. Now how to write a reduced mean term? As we have seen in the rule, the octet eliminates 3 variables, it retains only 1. We'll see. Now these all 8 mean terms are belongs to all the 4 rows. That means A and B's value will changes. So we cannot consider A and B variables. By looking at the column side, here it belongs to 2 columns. The second and the third column it belongs. Now in the second column, CD value is 0, 1. In the third column, CD value is 1, 1. That means C value is changes, 0 and 1 is there. But D value will not change. D value is 1. Therefore, the reduced mean term of this octet is D. Moving forward, let me identify the another quad, that is I showed in the green color. Now this quad consists of M4, M5, M12, M13 mean terms. Now reduced mean term of this quad is BC dash. How we got, we will see. This belongs to the second row and the third row of the K-map. In the second row, AB value is 0, 1. In the third row, AB value is 1, 1. That means A value changes 0 and 1. So A we should not consider. B we have to consider because B value remains 1 in the both the rows. Therefore we have to write only B. In the looking at the column side, the first and second column it belongs. In the first column CD value is 0, 0. In the second column CD value is 0, 1. That means C value same in both the column, that is 0. D value changes 0 and 1. So we have to consider only C. As the C value is 0, so we are taking C dash. Now in the K map, only this one is left out. Now what to do with this one? If you see in the whole row, this we can make it as a one more quad. That is, we have specified in the purple color as a quad. Now this quad consists of M12, M13, M14, M15 mean terms. Here this quad belongs to single row, so therefore A and B value remain same, that is 1, 1. But this belongs to all the columns, therefore C and D's value will changes. So no need of considering C and D variables. Only AB we have to consider. AB's value is 1 1, therefore the reduced mean term becomes AB. Now all the logical ones are involved in the group, therefore we can go for the final reduced Boolean function is f of ABCD equal to the first term D plus BC dash plus AB. Going forward, one more example. Given the Boolean function, reduced it by using K-map, f of ABCD equal to m1 plus m3 plus m4 plus m5 plus m9 plus m11 plus m12 plus m13. Now here in this example, 4 variable Boolean expression is this, but here they are given in the shortened mean term notation. The above said Boolean function can be designed by using 4 variable K-map as. Just hint for you people, wherever these mean terms are there only I have highlighted, that is m1, m3, m4, m5, m9, m11, m12 and m13. So this is only we have to put it in the K-map. So K-map I have designed for 4 variables with the AB and the CD variable. AB I consider for row wise with the reflection code 00011110, and the CD I consider in the column wise with the reflection code 00011110. And wherever these min terms are specified in the questions, there we have put the logical ones: m1, m3, m4, m5, m9, m10 and m12 and m13. Now how to mapping part we can do. Now here anyway octet we cannot find because all 8 ones are not together. So let me find out quad. The first quad, I'm identifying this one, the top and then bottom row. Now this quad consists of m1, m3, m9, m11. Now we'll see how we can get the reduced mean term of this quad. Now this quad is belongs to the first row and the last row of the map. In the first row AB value is 0 0. In the last row AB value is 1 0. That means A value changes, 0 and 1 is there, but B value remains 0 itself. Therefore we have to consider B from the row side. So B dash it becomes, because value is 0. Columns, when we see second and third column are involved in this quad. So CD value in the second column 0 1, in the third column 1 1. That means C value here changes, 0 and 1 is there, but D value is remains same, that is 1. Therefore we have to take only D variable, so D. So altogether it becomes B dash D. Going forward, let me identify one more quad. Here all the 4 ones are together in the square shape is there, so I can go for one more quad, and this quad consists of m4, m5, m12 and m13 mean terms. Now finding the reduced mean term of this quad is, this quad belongs to second and third row of the map. In the second row AB equal to 0 1 is there, in the third row AB is 1 1 is there. Therefore here A value changes, 0 and 1 is there, but B value same, 1 itself is there. So we have to take B here, value is 1, so it will not be a complement, B remains as it is. And this quad belongs to first and second column. In the first column CD value equal to 0 0, in the second column CD value is 0 1. If you see here, in the first C value remains same, that 0 0, and D value changes, 0 and 1 is there. So we have to consider C only. A value is 0, therefore it becomes C dash. So altogether it becomes BC dash. Now if you see the map, all the ones are involved in the group, therefore the final reduced Boolean expression is f of ABCD equal to b dash d plus b c dash. Going for one more example, given the Boolean function, reduce it by using K-map. F of ABCD equal to summation of 0, 4, 6, 7, 8, 12, 14, 15. Now this can be designed by using 4 variable K-map as. First let me go give you hint. Now while looking at that hint, M0, M4, M6, M7, M8, M12, M14, M15 are highlighted. The rest place is not highlighted. So that can be represented in the K map is as this is the way. As you know, AB I have taken in the row wise variable, CD I have taken in the column wise. The AB's reflected code is 00011110 and CD's reflected code is 00011110, and all the logical ones I placed according to the mean term designation which is shown in the question. So that is 0, 4, 6, 7, 8, 12, 14 and 15. Now let me identify here octet. Octet anyway it is not there. So we have to identify quad. The first quad I am identifying is this one. Now this quad is there in the rectangular shape which belongs to first column, and it consists of M0, M4, M8, M12 mean terms. Now what is the reduced mean term of this quad? That is C dash D dash. How we got? We'll see. This is belongs to all the rows, therefore AB variable we cannot consider because values are changes, but this is belongs to only single row of the map. So in that column C and D value remains 0 0, therefore it became C dash D dash. Going for one more quad, which is here all four ones are appears together, so that I can consider as a one more quad. In the green color it is showed, and this quad consists of M6, M7, M14, M15 mean terms, and the reduced mean term of this quad is BC. We will see how we got that. This quad is belong to the row 2 and 3. In the second row, the AB value is 0, 1, and third row AB value is 1, 1. That means A value changes 0 and 1. B value remains same, that is 1, 1. Therefore, we have taken B here. And this column wise, when you see, it belongs to third and fourth column. And the third column CD value is 1, 1, and fourth column CD value is 1, 0. That means the C value remains 1 itself. D value changes, so we have to consider C. Value is 1, so only we have to consider C. Now looking at the K map, we are finding that all the logical ones are involved in the group. Therefore final reduced Boolean function is f of ABCD equal to the first term C dash D dash plus BC. Dear students, let me conclude this session of K-map examples, the session 5 here, and still more K-map examples will be discussed in the next session, that is session 6. Thank you. Have a nice day.